Hello everyone, I am Amshi Krishna from Mechanical Second Year. My selected topic is voltage and current relations in star and delta connections. Before discussing about the star and delta connections, let us discuss about three-phase circuit. A three-phase circuit system is an electrical distribution method that utilizes three alternating currents, each of equal frequency and amplitude, but with a phase difference of 120 degrees between them. This system is highly efficient and commonly used for both generation and transmission of electrical power as well as in industrial applications. The setup is essential for efficient and reliable power transmission and distribution, especially in industrial and commercial settings. Now let us discuss about advantages of three-phase circuit. Electrical power that is generated is distributed in the three-phase system only. The instantaneous power in a three-phase system is always constant. It will be always equal and constant throughout the process. The amount of wiring required for a three-phase system is lesser than required for an equivalent one-phase system. The wiring that is required for a three-phase system is very less compared to a one-phase system. So that's the reason it is more economical compared to the single-phase system. So it is more economical and it is a cost-effective process. So these are some of the advantages of three-phase circuits. Now let us discuss about the key characteristics of three-phase circuits. First one include three alternating currents. In a three-phase system, three AC voltage or currents are generated, each of which having a 120 degrees out of phase. This means if voltage reaches its peaks, the other two are at its different points in the circuits, providing a balancing load. Now talking about the balanced loads, as the phase difference between them includes a 120 degrees, the power delivery is more consistent and efficient compared to a single phase power. These loads can be balanced more effectively, which minimizes voltage fluctuations, and this ensures a steady power supply compared to a one phase system. Three phase system ensures a steady power supply. Coming back to the configurations, the two primary ways to connect the three phases are, it includes two types, that is star connection, it is also called as Y connection, and delta connection, it is also called as pi connection. Now let us discuss about star connection and delta connection. Star connection. In a star connection, one end of each phase winding is connected to a common point called the neutral, while the other ends are connected to the line conductors, where all the line conductors are end-to-end connection and all these conductors are connected to a common point called as neutral point. Talking about the voltage and current relations between the line voltage and the line current, line voltage is √3 times the phase voltage, that is VL is equal to √3 into VPH. Line current is equal to the phase current. Some of the applications of these star connections include, they are generally used for long distance transmission where a neutral is needed, such as in distribution systems to resident and commercial areas. So this is the diagram of the star connection T network, where line conductors are end-to-end connection and all these conductors will be having a common neutral point. Now talking about the delta connections. In delta connections, the end of each phase winding are connected in a closed loop with each junction connecting to line conductor, where here there will be no neutral point as we have discussed earlier in the star connection. In delta connection, there will be no neutral point. Coming back to the voltage relationships, the line voltage is equal to the phase voltage. In the star connection, it is √3 times the phase voltage. But in the voltage relationships, that is in the delta connections, line voltage is equal to the phase voltage, whereas the line current is √3 times the phase current. That's quite opposite that we have discussed in the star connections. Now, some of the applications of this delta connections includes, they are generally used in industrial settings for heavy machinery where no neutral is required. And this is the pi network, and it is also called as delta network, where no neutral is required here, and all the line-to-end connectors are end-to-end connections. Thank you.